Guys, have you guys ever had quail eggs? Oh my god, those things are freaking awesome. Mushroom. They're mushroom.
Okay.
Can I get a skirt? I like licking balls. Demonetized.
No, I'll get you some stuff.
Okay. Okay.
There ain't nothing in here. You want some mushroom?
Not really. Okay, sure. Let's just keep going. Oh, that was so good. That was delicious. Oh yes, tripe. Is that tripe? Tripas, yes. Like Chinese people eat weird stuff, but yo, that weird stuff is so good. You gotta try it. Like, yo, I know it sounds gross, like beef stomach and stuff, but like, yo, trust, that stuff is so good. Right? Right. It is. Like, yo, when you see like an old Asian guy, you know, eating like pig ear, intestines or like pig ear, you know, like don't judge him. That shit's good. Try it. Ask him. You know, just go up and be like, can I try some? Hey, he's probably gonna give you some. You know? Nah, he's not. It's too good. That's why. Back to the food. So guys, brought in round 2. All right, we're going at it. Me and my girlfriend.
I'm not even hungry.
She's not even hungry, guys. Cuttlefish, mashed vegetables. You know, you gotta get the greens, protein, more protein, carbs.
What is this?
I ordered that. I don't know what that is, but I just ordered it.
The beef?
No, it's in the beef balls, like the beef ball section. In the ball section. I've been hit. My shirt. You have to do this mission on your own.
No.
This is why, guys, you shouldn't wear
You should bring an apron, like a bib.
Yeah, you guys should bring a bib when you guys come to eating Hotpot, or else this stuff will happen.
It's already staying, then you're gonna stay your next layer.
No, but the next layer is like the shirt I wore like yesterday.
Ew.
When you're looking for a good time, look for Marlboro time. We're pretty much done here. Oh, bubbly. Yeah, these are our last batch of food.
All of it?
Yeah. She's done. Long time ago. See you guys when we're done eating everything. That's what?
Hung Chi Fang.
Do it again?
Hung Chi Fang.
That's the spot, guys. It was pretty good.
Chat time? Chat time?
Yo, only Scarborough mans know the spot. Like, I'm just kidding. Like, everyone knows the spot, but like, the Scarborough thing, you know?
You don't need dessert.
Not really. Guys, so yeah. So right now we're gonna go downtown. Alright, from Scarborough to downtown. I'm gonna see you. 3, 2, 1, let's jump. Hey guys, so we're at Eden Center now. As you can see, Eden Center. I was just playing some FIFA on the Microsoft TV, you know that one? Yeah. And of course your boy destroyed them. I was actually like a kid, and then this other guy, I destroyed both of them. I have a witness here.
I destroyed you.
No, she did it.
I saw 2 people.
Yeah. It was really fun. We're going to Apple Store now. Apple Store. His girl left him. Hopefully he found his girl. Alright.
You're lucky I didn't leave
Lucky,
you.
yeah. Lucky my girl didn't leave me, you know. But yeah. Is it in focus? It's not even focus. It's in focus now. But yeah. So yeah. So yeah. With him, I ran down the line, right? And I cut in, and I just curved it in. Yo, it was so sick. I felt so good. We're in Apple Store now. Apple stores.
Samsung users going into the Apple store. Think brand new. I love it.
You want to join Dundas? Dundas Square. Where are we going?
We are in New York Times Square.
New York Times Square. New York Times Square. New York. Whoa, 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 whoa. And you're downtown. We're heading to get some bubble tea right now. I have no idea where it's. So guys, we're here at Happy Lemon.
What is it?
Happy Lemon. Yeah. Happy Lemon. And what did we get?
We got matcha latte with salted cheese.
So it's bubble tea with cheese. Try it.
You guys just open it?
I think you can just
They give us this line.
try it. Good? What it tastes like?
Green tea.
Also remember guys, hit the bell notification down there somewhere, bell icon, to be notified whenever I upload a new video, so you guys know when I upload it. Yeah, she likes it, but yeah, so remember guys, like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that notification button. See you guys next week.